Hello children, welcome to today's video session of Standard 7 Geography, Unit 2 Tourism. In today's session we are going to learn the concept of tourism and the various components of tourism, types of tourism, tourism attraction of India, tourism attraction of Tamil Nadu. Shall we move on to the lesson?
Unit 2 Tourism. The word tourist was derived from an Old English word turian, which refers to a person who travels out of his usual environment for not more than 1 year and less than 24 hours. The purpose of travel may be religious, recreation, business, historical, and cultural. The basic components of tourism. Tourism has become an important source of income for many regions and even for entire countries of the world. Tourism is an essential part of the life of the society because of its direct impact on social, cultural, educational and economic sector of the nation and on their international relations too. The three main components of tourism are attraction, accessibility, amenities. These three components are together known as A3 concept, attractions. Attractions mainly comprise of two types such as natural attraction, cultural attraction. Natural attraction includes landscape, seascape, beaches, climatic condition and forest. Cultural attractions are historic monuments and other intellectual creations. Apart from this, cultural attraction also includes fair and festivals. Accessibility. Accessibility means reachability to a particular place of attraction through various means of transportation such as road, rail, water and air. Transport decides the cost of travel and the time consumed in reaching or accessing a specific attraction. Amenities. Amenities are the facilities that cater to the needs of a tourist. Accommodation in terms of hotels, restaurants, cafes, and other staying units. Travel organizers, tour operators, and travel agents. Foreign exchange centers, passport and visa agencies. Sectors related to travel insurance, safety, and security. Types of tourism. From the ancient times, travel is a fascination for mankind. Tourism can be divided on the basis of nature, utility, time and distance as indicated below. Religious tourism, cultural tourism, historical tourism, eco-tourism, adventure tourism, recreational tourism. Religious tourism. Religious tourism is one of the oldest type of tourism wherein people travel individually or in a group for pilgrimage to a religious location such as temples, churches, mosques and other religious places. Religious tour to Kasi, that is Varanasi, by Hindus, to Jerusalem by Christians and to Mecca by Muslims are few of the examples for religious tourism. Historical tourism. It focuses on visiting historically important places like museums, monuments, archaeological areas, forts, temples and so on. Angkor Wat of Cambodia, Taj Mahal of India and pyramids of Egypt are some of the examples to quote for historical tourism. Ecotourism. Ecotourism typically involves travel to destinations where plants and animals thrive in a naturally preserved environment. Amazon rainforest, African forest safari, trekking in the slopes of Himalayas are the famous incredible eco-friendly attractions. Do you know? Gastronomy refers to an aspect of cultural tourism. Adventure tourism. Adventure tourism is a type of tourism involving travel to remote or exotic places in order to take part in physically challenging outdoor activities. For example, skydive in Australia, bungee jumping in New Zealand, mountaineering in the peaks of Himalayas, rafting in the Brahmaputra River at Arunachal Pradesh. Recreational tourism. This type of tourism aims at enjoyment, amusement or pleasure or mainly for fun activity. Waterfalls, hill station, beaches and amusement park are the attractive spot for recreational tourism. Apart from this, there are certain modern types of tourism which got developed in recent years. They are annual holiday tourism, industrial tourism, seasonal tourism, international tourism, group tourism, sports tourism, health tourism and farm and rural tourism. Do you know inbound tourism, that is touring within the native country? Outbound tourism means touring in foreign countries. International tourism. International tourism is undertaken to visit the places of international importance and to gather knowledge about international culture and customs. For this, there are certain travel forms and formalities to be filled by the tourists such as passport, visa, foreign currency, air ticket, travel insurance and other immigration details. Do you know visa? A document issued to a person or a stamp marked on the passport of a person who wants to visit other countries. Tourist visa, recreation sightseeing, student visa, higher education, employment visa, working in a country, medical visa, medical treatment in a reputed hospital of a country. Basic elements of tourism attractions. Certain elements are fundamental to attract tourists as travel destination. They are pleasant weather, scenic beauty, historical and cultural monuments. Geographical components of tourism. Landforms, mountains, plateaus, canyons, valleys, caves, circuits, sand dunes, coral, cliffs, etc. Water, rivers, lakes, waterfalls, hot springs and geysers, snow and glaciers, water currents, tides and waves. Vegetation, forest, grassland, moor, desert, etc. Climate, sunshine, cloud, admirable temperature, rain and snow. Animal life, wildlife, birds, game reserves, zoos. Hunting and fishing. Settlement features, towns, cities, villages, historical remains and monuments. Culture, way of life, traditions, folklore, arts and crafts. Do you know game reserve, an area of land set aside for the protection of wild animals? Tourism attraction in India. India is a country known for its gentle hospitality with spicy food and culture. Visitor-friendly tradition with varied lifestyle, culture, heritage, colorful flair and festivals are abiding attraction for the tourists. All type of land, varied climate, rich resources for eco and adventure tourists are the versatile specialty of India. Technological park and science museum, pilgrimage centers with wonderful art and architecture are an added advantage for tourists. Yoga, Ayurveda and natural remedial health resorts attract tourists from all over the world. Religious tourism. India being a multi-religious country, religious tourism is the most popular type of tourism. Various package tours are organized for the people to attend the religious rituals and to visit places of religious importance. Most famous religious spots of India are as follows: Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu; Kanjipuram, Tamil Nadu; Varanasi, that is Kasi, Uttar Pradesh; Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh, Vaishnava Devi Temple, Jammu and Kashmir, St. Francis Xavier Cathedral, Goa, Amritsar, Punjab, Monasteries of Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir. Scenic attraction is a very important sector in tourism. Scenery consisting of mountains, lakes, waterfalls, glaciers, forests and deserts are the major features attracting people to visit them. India is blessed with nature and gifted with immense beauty from rolling hills to deep valleys and snow-covered mountains to lush green carpet. Hill Station. The India subcontinent has 7 principal mountain ranges and the largest of all is the Himalayas that lie in the northern part of India. Most of the Himalayan hill stations in India are located in state of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Meghalaya. Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala have hill station in the Western Ghats. Andhra Pradesh, Odisha have hill station in the Eastern Ghats. The beautiful hill station in India: Kodaikanal, Ooty, Tamil Nadu; Nandital, Mussoorie, Uttarakhand; Darjeeling, West Bengal; Gulmarg, Jammu and Kashmir; Shillong, Meghalaya; Shimla, Manali, Himachal Pradesh; Munnar, Kerala; Gangtok, Sikkim. From the map we can see the major hill station in India. Do you know the abbreviation for ITC? Inclusive to Chatter. IATA, International Air Transport Association. IATO, Indian Association of Tour Operators. TAAI, Travel Agents Association of India. TTTHA, Tamil Nadu Tour Travel and Hospitality Association. TTDC, Tamil Nadu Tourism Development Corporation. Waterfalls. In India, there are many spectacular and wonderful waterfalls covered by dense forests, huge walls of rocks and lush green trees. Among these waterfalls, some are seasonal while some are perennial. Few of the amazing waterfalls are in swing during the monsoon season. This season brings lot of tourists of these bubbling waterfall sites. Notable waterfalls of India are given below. So from the table we can see the waterfall and the geographical location. Talayar waterfall, horse tail type located in Dindigul district of Tamil Nadu. Jog waterfall, segmented waterfall, Raja Rani and Thunder located in Shimoga district of Karnataka. Nohalikai waterfall, tallest plunge type of waterfall situated in the East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya. Talakona waterfalls. It is the highest waterfalls in Andhra Pradesh. A lot of medicinal herbs are seen around the region. Atrapalli waterfalls. The Niagara of India is located in Thrissur district of Kerala. Wildlife and bird sanctuary. India possesses a wide range of forests and grasslands. Diversity of these lands makes it one of the hotspots for flora and fauna. The dense and dark forests of India's states provide suitable habitat for a wide and unique variety of animals and birds. Royal Bengal tigers, Indian lions, elephants, rhinoceros, Indian leopard and reptiles are the major tourist attractions. Bird sanctuary attracts attention for the exclusive variety of birds. Diverse range of climate of India invites birds from remote places to feed, breed and to nurture their young ones in the Indian bird sanctuary. Do you know push factors in tourism are prestige pull factors in tourism are amenities. From the table we can understand the wild sanctuaries in India, bird sanctuaries in India. Beaches. India is a country with 7,517 km long coastline comprising the most beautiful beaches bounded by Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Indian beaches are enriched with diverse coastal land forms filled with aquatic flora and fauna. Lush backwater in the lagoons of Kerala and picturesque beaches of Goa such as Galangut, Aguda are the notable tourist destinations for water sports activities. The most charming and enchanting beaches of India are listed below. Here from the table they have given the beaches, state and the geographical features. Tourist attraction in India. Tourist attraction in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has various tourist attractions like religious centers, spiritual retreat centers, beaches, hill station, waterfalls, wildlife, art, culture, architecture, crafts, heritage monuments, etc. The government of Tamil Nadu has recognized the importance of tourism long ago and facilitated its development in desired direction. Exploring new avenues like medical tourism and adventure tourism in the past decades have helped Tamil Nadu tourism to achieve more than 20% annual growth. Tamil Nadu earns the largest shares of income from tourism in India. Religious tourism. Tamil Nadu is a state popularly known as land of temple and has been greatest source for spiritual rejuvenation for travelers all over the world. The state is home to around 33,000 Asian temples that mainly belong to Dravidian style of architecture. Some of the world's renowned religious destinations are as follows: Tanjavur Big Temple, Madurai Meenakshi Temple, Rameshwaram Ramanatha Swami Temple, Temple of Kanjipuram, Velangani Mother Church, Nagur Dargah. Hill station in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, being situated in the southern end of the western and eastern Ghats, is a home for several hill stations. Popular among them are Udagamandalam, that is Ooty, Kodaikanal, Yerkad, Kunnur, Valparai, Yelagiri, Sirumalai, Kalrayan Hills and Palani Hills, Chevarai Hills, Cardamom Hills. There are also abodes of thick forests and wildlife. Ooty, Queen of Hills, Yerkad, Lake of Forests, Poor Man's Ooty, Yelagiri, 14 hairpin bends, Kodaikanal, Princess of Hill Station, Kotagiri, Green Hills, Velangiri Hills, Kailash of the South, Koli Hills, motor-able terrain with 70 hairpin bends, Aanaimalai Hills, top slip, Meghamalai, high wavy mountains, Javadi, nature's heaven. Waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Mountain and rivers of Tamil Nadu combined together created many enduring waterfalls. Waterfalls in Tamil Nadu with its inspiring natural wonders attracts many tourists. A trek amidst thick green trees, steep hills and a bath in the gushing water is most rejuvenating. Here is a list of famous waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. Kokenakal Waterfalls. It is a beautiful waterfall located in Dharmaburi district. Kumbakarai Waterfalls. River Pambar cascades to form this hill falls at the foothills of Kodaikanal in Theni district. Monkey Falls. The waterfall lies on Anamalai Hills terrain in Coimbatore, surrounded by evergreen forest. Tillayur Falls, situated in the Chevarayan Hills range of the Eastern Ghats. Kutralam. Kutralam is located in Tirunelveli district. It is known for medical spa. Agaya Gangai. It is a waterfall in Pulicholai on Koli Hills in eastern Ghats of Namakkal district. Surli Falls. This falls is also known as Cloudlands Falls or Meghamalai Falls. It is located in Theni district. Wildlife and bird sanctuaries in Tamil Nadu. Wildlife sanctuary in Tamil Nadu includes bird sanctuaries and national parks. Tamil Nadu is also well known for the diverse natural heritage that it possesses. Hence, tourists are highly excited about the wildlife tour across the state. The total area of Tamil Nadu is approximately 1,30,058 square kilometers, that is 17.6% of the land area comprised of 6 forests. Visitors will get to watch the smooth blend of wet evergreen forest, dry and wet deciduous forest, grassland, sholas, mangroves and thorny shrubs. Beside variety natural vegetation, another prized possession of Tamil Nadu is wildlife sanctuary including tiger, elephant, deer, monkey, bison, etc. For protecting the entire flora and fauna, wildlife sanctuary of the state are enlisted below. Here they have given the wildlife sanctuaries, name of the wildlife sanctuaries and the districts. Here they have given the bird sanctuaries in Tamil Nadu. From the map we can understand the Tamil Nadu National Park, wildlife and bird sanctuaries. In the table they have given national parks in Tamil Nadu. Beaches in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu being a coastal site in India which consists of several beaches, some of them are world famous tourist spots. Beaches is a lovely place to hang around with friends, families and kids. All these are ideal destinations for sunbath, relaxation and water sports activities. In the table they have given the beaches and the geographical features. Environmental impact of tourism. The quality of the environment is essential for tourism. The tourism industry created several positive and negative impacts on the environment. Positive impact: direct financial contribution, contribution to government revenues, improved environmental management and planning, increased environmental awareness, protection and preservation of environment. Negative impact: depletion of natural resources, water resources, local resources and land degradation. Pollution: air and noise pollution, soil waste and littering, sewage. Destruction and alteration of ecosystem, air, water and soil. Let's move on to recap and evaluation part.